Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain you about welded connections in design of steel structure. In my previous lecture, I explained you about bolted connection. Means by using bolts, we connected two plates like that. Here by using welding, we are going to connect the two steel members. So welding is nothing but it's the process of connecting metal pieces by application of heat, that is fusion, with or without pressure. If suppose there are two structural members are there, so two steel members are there. Suppose this is one member and this is another member. So by using welding, this portion is welding. By using this portion, by using the welding, we are going to connect the two plates. So there are so many advantages in welding when compared to bolting. In bolting, we need to put the holes. That means we need to waste some of the steel material to connect the plates. I mean, to put the bolts, we need to put the holes in plates. So for that, we are wasting the material. In welding, it is not like that. So no material reduction is there. So no area reduction is there. So it is more effective taking the load. In welding, no need of extra plates to connect to reduce and which it leads to reduce the weight of the structure. So welded joints are more economical as less material is required. The efficiency of the welded joint is more than that of bolted joints. Like that, there are so many advantages are there, and the fabrication is also faster when compared to riveted and bolted joints. So here I will show you some basic types of welds and their symbols, so which we are going to solve this type of problems in next video. So this is the basic types of welds and their symbols. So basic types of welds, that is fillet weld. So this is one member and this is another member. I am going to weld in this portion. This shape is called fillet weld, and this is the shortcut symbol. Like that, there is some symbols are there: square butt and single V butt. So this is the welded portion and this is the welded portion. These are all the top views of the structural member. So double V butt, next single V butt, like that. Okay, so these are the basic types of weld, and few of theirs is there: double U butt, single bevel butt. Okay, so these are basic types of welds. So shape of the weld, that is flat, convex and concave, and the symbol, these are the symbols. So first we are going to know about fillet welding. So fillet welding is nothing but when two lapped plates are to be joined, fillet welding is used. So two lapped means, suppose this is steel member and this is another steel member. We are going to connect these. Suppose lapped means this is like lap joint, this is like a lap. So in that lap joint, we are going to connect by using welding. So these are the few terms used in fillet weld. So this is important. This is the size of the fillet weld. So yeah, this one is a steel member and this one is a steel member. This is the welding portion. I mean, in first basic type, I have shown you this one. If suppose the portion is like this, this is our portion. Same diagram I shown this. Okay, this is this one, like this. So this is our welding portion. This irregular shape is our welding portion. This one is a fusion zone. This phase is called a fusion zone, and this end part is called root. This one is root, and from root to toe point is called leg, and this is a welded face, and this is a toe point. So like that, we are going to connect two plates or two structural members by using welded connection. And in my next video, I am going to solve a problem by using these welded connections by using IS 800-2007, and there are few specifications specified by IS code, how much of a weld we need to, minimum weld and maximum weld is there provided in IS code. By using those code specifications, I am going to solve example problems in welding. Thank you so much for watching.